Hi friends, grinds are basically moving through the edge of a ledge, coping or a rail with the trucks of your skateboard. The most basic one is 50-50, that is grinding with your both trucks at the same time. In this video I'm going to teach you how to 50-50 on ledges. Now I'm going to give you some tips for doing this trick. You need to have a good ollie, at least a good one to ollie up the ledge you're trying to grind. Once you ollie it up, try to ollie up from the 50-50 vision like this. Start doing the 50-50 by going slow. If you're having issues at the time of 50-50 because your back truck gets down, try to place your front truck first. In this way, your back truck will come up automatically. Your weight must be on the ledge, and both trucks must sit on it rather than hanging from it. Go towards the ledge a bit in diagonal. That will help you to fit your trucks on the ledge. To put it out, you can wait until the end of the ledge and do a little manual or do a little frontside turn. I recommend you to have your knees bent to absorb the impact, keep the balance, or if you see you can't hold the 50-50, you can decide when to finish it by getting out of the ledge as explained in my previous piece of advice. And for that you need to have your knees bent. Once you have it, try it in different modules. Try to lengthen it, or if you got it first waiting until the end of the ledge, try to do it with no exit. I'm sure you had this trick, and if it's your first grind, congratulations! If you have any question, please let me know in the comments. Have a lovely day, lovely people, and see you in the next video.